Hello students, this is Jala sir. Today we will discuss your literature reader, chapter number 2, Father's Help, and the author of this story is R.K. Narayan. I will tell you the short summary of the story, but you must read the original story to enjoy it and to understand it better, and so that you will be able to attempt your answers, your questions in the next test which I am going to give you soon. So let us discuss the main points in the story. Swami is a schoolboy and who is afraid to go to school. Afraid means scared. He doesn't like to go to school like many of you. He feels that weekend got over very soon. He prays for some miracle to happen, like the collapse of the school building. So it's a Monday morning and he's not feeling like getting up, and he feels that the weekend got weekend means Saturday and Sunday holidays got over very fast. So he thinks the school building should collapse. Collapse means to break apart, to fall down. He finds all lessons boring and horrible. He makes an excuse of headache for not going to school. So he finds out an excuse. His father remains firm. So his Swami's mother allows him to stay in bed, but father remains firm and insists that he should go to school. Now Swami changes his strategy. See the first point on your screen. He changes his strategy, means his plan, his tactics. He says that he cannot go to school late because the teacher Samuel is very cruel and he beats the children violently. And he describes the cruelty of the teacher Samuel, how he beats children. Father sends Swami to school as a challenge to the teacher. Father wanted to see whether the teacher really, if the teacher does any such thing, then he would report to the headmaster. Father sends a letter to the headmaster through Swami, mentioning about Samuel's cruelty. Now Swami is worried because he is not sure how much truth was there in his description of Samuel. He had heard stories from other students and he made up this story also. He himself didn't experience any such cruelty from Samuel, so he is confused. Now first point on your screen, he tries to recall incidents. Recall means remember incidents which prove the cruelty of the teacher, but he cannot remember any. He thinks that Samuel is friendly, though he sometimes punishes the boys severely. So at times the teacher is very strict, but mostly he has been a friendly teacher with boys. Swami is confused whether the teacher can be called good or a bad person. So now he feels guilty. See the first point there? Swami feels guilty. Guilty means feels bad, sorry for doing something wrong or having the feeling that he has done something wrong. He is angry with his father for his obstinacy and stubbornness. Obstinacy and stubbornness are synonyms to each other. His father was obstinate. His father was stubborn, means he was firm in his decision. Now there is an Urdu word ziddi. Okay, so it's a negative word. Obstinate is negative word. Stubborn can be taken both as positive and negative. Next point, he decides to hand over the letter to the headmaster at the end of the day so that he can get time to make Samuel punish him. So he makes a plan that he would misbehave in the class and he would make his teacher Samuel to punish him so that he can be proven correct, right, whatever he said about Samuel. He tries different tactics, means strategies, to make Samuel angry and to receive punishment. This is the best part of the story. I recommend that you read. It's very funny. You will enjoy it. At last, he succeeds. Succeeds in what? He succeeds in making Samuel angry. All his efforts of trying to get punished create humor in the story. So it creates humor. We have discussed last year what humor is. Anything which makes you laugh is called humorous. So humor is something which is funny, so that is humorous. So it creates humor in the story. In the end, when he goes to the headmaster to hand over the letter, he discovers, means finds out, that the headmaster is on leave. So the peon tells him that Samuel was in charge of the headmaster, so the letter is to be given to Samuel. Now the boy is confused what to do because the letter was against Samuel and he had to give it to Samuel. So Swami goes home without giving letter to anybody. Father gets angry at this. He tears the letter and tells Swami that he is a coward and so deserves punishment. So the story ends here. But this was, as I told you, this was just an outline, very short summary. But you must read the story, original story, for two reasons. Main reason is you will enjoy it a lot, and you will read. I have simplified, and second reason is you will learn many new words and expressions there. So I end the presentation here. Thank you.